In this guide, I'll show you how to lower ping and fix lag in GTA Online. So the first thing I recommend you do is power cycle your home network. So unplug your modem and or router for 30 to 60 seconds. Then you want to plug it all back in and wait for it to reset, and boot up GTA Online and see if there's any improvement. Now you could also use a wired connection over Wi-Fi, as this is going to provide a more fast, stable internet. Now if you do want to use Wi-Fi, try moving your setup closer to your router, and also go to the desktop on your computer, and we're going to go down to the search bar at the bottom and type in Wi-Fi, and then we're going to go to Wi-Fi settings. Then you want to select your Wi-Fi network under Wi-Fi, and once you're here, have a look down at the bottom where you'll see DNS server assignment, and we're going to select the edit button beside it. Then we're going to change the DNS settings from automatic to manual, and then toggle on IPv4. Now there's two DNS servers I recommend you try, the Google DNS and the Cloudflare DNS. So if you want to try the Google DNS, type in 8.8.8.8, and under the alternate DNS, type in 8.8.4.4. Then you want to save these settings, play GTA Online, and see if there's any improvement. Now you could also try the Cloudflare DNS, which is going to be 1.1.1.1, and under the alternate DNS, it's going to be 1.0.0.1. Then you want to save these settings, play GTA Online, and see if there's any improvement. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.